Hello, welcome to this short screencast about the Focal Asset Wiki application. So what is the Asset Wiki? Well, think of Wikipedia, but with a page per pump, vessel and centrifuge, and on that page you have all of the information that you know about that piece of equipment brought together into one place. Doing this allows you to realise the value of the asset knowledge that you already have but you're struggling to utilise, and this makes your plant safer and more profitable, makes your teams more efficient, and allows you to make better use of your people. So we do this by breaking down the data silos that are already in place. So we pull together information from your third-party inspection providers, from your CMMS system, from your costing systems, and any initiatives such as risk-based maintenance or asset life plan or criticality reviews. We also have an action tracking module, and we can also pull in overall equipment effectiveness data as well. And we present all this information in a simple, easy-to-use way. And in addition to that, people can then go on to add information so that the Asset Wiki becomes a single shared notebook for all of the work undertaken by your asset management team. So in terms of deployment, it's very quick and simple to deploy. We can have it deployed in a matter of hours. We can integrate it with most CMMS systems such as SAP or Maximo, and we do this in a very pragmatic way using standard reports, so you don't need your IT team to do anything special. And we have a proven track record. And the best thing to do is to go and to show you the actual application. And this is us inside the Asset Wiki application. So on the home screen I've got a simple dashboard here that shows me the things that require my attention. On the left hand side here I have a filter, and you can see that I filtered here just to show me information about vessels. And that has brought me up these 168 records, so the first of which is an RBM for the preheater. So this is a bespoke form. It's configured for a particular customer's needs, where they go through the safety and the strategy and the details and develop recommendations and a risk ranking for this particular piece of equipment. And that's what leads it to have this A0 risk designation, which we'll come to shortly. We can also see that this record is superseded, so there's no danger of you looking at a record that's out of date, and I can click here and it will take me to the latest revision of this record, and I can click here and this takes me to what we call the asset header. And the asset header, we can see all of the different pieces of information that we know about for this piece of equipment. And this is what we call the pulse chart. So basically each bar on this chart represents a new item of information that's been added to the system about this piece of equipment. We also have a series of dashboards. So this dashboard here is by plant, and this shows me the number of RCAs by month, what status that they're at, and if I want to see those RCAs I can click here, and that will take me and will show me those 15 RCA reports. And similarly I can do the same with RBMs. I can also see predictions for future spend, and I can drill down into that and understand where those costs come from. And this is the historical spend information, and this comes from, in this case, from an SAP CMMS system. I can take this dashboard and I can also look at it by asset manager. So in this case, the asset managers have a target of 4 RCAs by month and 25 RBMs by month, and you can actually see how individual asset managers are doing against those targets. We also have dashboards for bad actors. So again, this data is taken directly from SAP and shows either by spend or by frequency which items of equipment are taking the most effort. And I can click through onto that and I can actually see what the basis of that bar is. So these are the work orders that have contributed to the cost showing on that bad actors chart. We also have a dashboard for criticality, or in this case risk-based maintenance ranking. So again, I can see my distribution of risk across the asset. If I want to see those that are designated for A0, I can click there, and that will actually take me through to those, and then I can drill in and look at that information. So that was a very, very quick overview of the Asset Wiki application. I'd love to show you more about it. It really is a very rich and powerful application. But in summary, it makes your plant safer and more profitable. It makes your teams more efficient. It makes better use of your people, and that's all of you people, all the way from professional engineers through to your technicians on the ground. It's simple to deploy and it has a proven track record. We'd love to hear from you and to know what else we can add to the application to make it of use to people. So you can see us at our website at focal.net, or my contact details are there. The easiest thing to do is just to pick up the phone and call me. So it's 0161 660 8226, option 3, and it would be great to hear from you. Thanks very much.